Oh, and they come unstuck. Faded, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Here's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf.
Hey guys, we're back. We're back at the airport after 1 year. May kulang kami isa. That's what we're here. She's here spiritually. She's gonna sleep. We worked so hard. She worked harder. Kita natin. This is where we're going today. Hello. Oh my god, this is taking so long. Going here today. Yes. I hope it's not that rainy. We're also gonna be... Stop. Hi guys. Uy, say goodnight. Hindi pa pala bye yun.
Ang ganda ng hair. Pagkita ko ng hair.
Ganda nga eh.
Pero ano lang, anti lang.
Oh my god. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung like brown hair ko kasi black hair ko. So like it's brown.
I'm an ABG guy with black hair.
Antok siya niyan. Antok siya sa lagay na yan. Fit check.
Forgot.
Fit check. Okay, bye.
Okay, sabi ko matutulog ako. I bought
Food.
Mag-browse siya guys ng content for our business.
So good.
So, matikman, Vicky. Wala mo kung ano to. Wala mo.
I think it's a hot dog.
Wala mo.
Hot dog.
More.
Wala more. Chicken burger?
Chicken! It's chicken!
What? What chicken?
Chicken bites.
Shake Shack to?
So,
What?
matikman.
Chicken? May chicken dyan ba?
Kala ko nga burger nung una, kaya di ko pinapunta.
Ay, oo nga pala yung burger.
Squash yung masarap.
Look. Oh my god, we have to talk.
Bye, kakain. Ay, hindi. Alam ko na. Parang masyado siyang important.
Fucking hell. I hate you.
Say hi! Guys, we're boarding the plane. Guys, ito yung seat namin. Exit.
Ayun. Assist. She does not care for humans.
We request everyone to kindly safeguard all those items, especially hard objects, such as glass tumblers and electronic devices inside your bags before stowing the overhead compartments. In line with this, please take caution in securing your current luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off the cabin.
Sa nasa emergency exit room.
lang po i-open ang door in case of emergency evacuation. Thank you so much. Mag-iba tayo sa
Guys, we're here. Ano? Tulog kami buong flight. This is red eye flight. Good morning! Ang sakit ng likod ko guys, ng puwet ko, ng everything. In fairness dito parang fresh tayo. Oo. Wala tayo lang. It's raining. Umuulan. Guys, oh my gosh. Ang daming stairs. Hindi na ako nakakamera kasi baka kunin ng monkey yung gamit ko. Ang daming hagdan guys. Tapos ang daming monkey. Tapos baka kumuha sila ng gamit ko. So, I'm being very careful. Guys, grabe yung hagdan dito. Mahina pa naman yung tuhod ko. Oh shit, meron pa.
Hey guys, we made it after like how many fucking flights of stairs. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. Oh, holy crap. We're figuring out what to do now. What do we do? Do we eat? Do we change clothes? Wait, I'm figuring out the Zoom.
Guys, I wore heels. Mali. Very wrong.
Naka-heels sa airport and then walking to the hotel. Hindi ko alam mala temple run pala dito. Wait lang, I'll show you the view though. I'm still contemplating if it's like talagang worth it yung punta namin. Kasi dito pa lang, ganda na ng view and everything. And this is what it looks like from the outside. I think this is where we're gonna stay. I'm not sure. Right there. I'm holding on for dear life kasi ang daming unggoy. So,
Kaya natin mag-reservation ngayon for
oo nga pala. Saan ba yan?
malapit naman.
Feel ko kaya. Can we sleep like somewhere? Guys, sayang yung oras. Saan nagtrabaho na lang ako? Ang gagawin ko? Magko-content lang tayo, girl. The whole time. This is she. She needs to change. I need to change. Mambon siya. We're thinking of a game plan. What do we do for the next 4 hours? Hindi ko na zip. Whatever.
It's raining again.
It's raining again?
Yeah.
It's raining? Oh, shit. Wow, we're so bougie. We got the Ian. We're in a different place. Walang mic. So, hulaan nyo na lang siya sa akin.
Oh my gosh, it's Marina next.
I love my skin. It's so brown. Tingnan mo, 2 different types of morena tayo. Actually, am I warm? Parang yan mo daw. Parang hindi mo warm. Warm ka. Pero warm din ako eh. Is it like you're neutral? Or ano ba lang? I don't know.
Got my boots. Ganda.
Yeah, you're
Guys,
neutral.
it's raining.
I love my face here. Grabe. I'm down.
I forgot my
Pipigyan
shades.
ko na lang sarili, guys.
Kasi yung luggage namin, iniwan sa storage room. Kasi di kami pwede mag-early check-in.
It's fucking raining and we don't have good sleep. We have sleep mga 2 hours. food. We're gonna eat because we're scared of the monkey. So,
Devoured. Super busog, guys.
what's your password?
Tingin T3111.
Hindi pa kami naka-ayos. Wait nyo lang.
Wait lang, nakasalamin pa ako.
Guys.
Pogi, guys. Pogi.
Ayaw.
Guys, ang daming pogi. Kaso di pa kami nakaayos kasi wala pa kaming room. 2 PM pa yung check-in. Anong oras pa?
11.
11 pa lang, guys. Wait nyo lang. Mamaya magpapaganda. I'm gonna raise the Philippine flag. At least sa Manalo.
Wait for us.
At least sa Manalo to, guys. Guys, ang ganda. It's so nice. The sun's out finally. Oh my gosh. Outfit is not giving.
But like,
But the boobs are giving. Ano na boobs ko dito? Guys, look at my boobs.
finally, there's some sun. I asked my boss like what the weather was like, and he said it was moody, and it definitely is moody. It was like raining a bit hard earlier, and now it's super sunny. And yeah, these are the rooms. Elizabeth, she is kind of low energy right now. There's a lot of people there doing yoga. Wanna join? Hoy, sign up tayo for tomorrow. Sign up tayo for tomorrow.
Where?
Please! Let's see. Mga 10 daw eh. That's not bad. Wait, how do you... It's really, really pretty. It's just really like hassle. Like you akit in your... Like you have to go down there in order to get here. Just like in a crowd.
Guys, tignan nyo, this is the situation. Pero wait, hawak ako. Kasi mahina yung tuhod ko. Oh my fucking god, guys. Tignan nyo ang steep ng hagdan. Oh my gosh. So steep. It's too much. Hey guys, I just woke up. Nakatulog ako dito sa hamak na to. Kasi wala pa kaming room. So, kailangan namin ng tatambayan. So, nakatulog ako dito for I think 1 hour din. And si Vicky. Hey guys, so we're in the room na. We're checked in. So nice, grabe. Diba? Video doesn't give this place justice. Super ganda.
Exactly.
This is our view. Like right in front of our bed. Ito ang view namin, guys. Tapos may mga monkey lang. So we have to keep this door closed. Kasi maraming monkey.
Can you try to open it?
I'll open it. Paano ba to? Ow. How? Ayan pala.
Wait. Hey guys, we are... Hold on. What the hell is this? We are checked in. Bakit super lal? We are checked in, and this is the view. That is just insane. Like, this is what we're gonna wake up to. Yeah.
This is what we're waking up to.
Yeah. It's crazy kasi gusto namin i-story yung buong place, but it's not, I don't know how to do it. But this is insane. We're gonna try to get ready here tomorrow and whatever. We're thinking to do yoga or surf. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm gonna need a pole for this. Because I'm scared. Because I don't know how deep it is. Grabe. Hi guys. We're out. We're out in the ocean.
Ang agenda lang namin actually today. Now pala. Pictures. Yeah, onti lang. Oh, cute ang dog! Oh my gosh! Onting swimming lang kami guys kasi we wanna take photos para tomorrow swim lang kami. So nice. Wait lang! Cute ng dog. Cute ng dog. Hello. So cute.
She is there taking selfies. I'm waiting for her to take my photos. I actually just want someone to take both of our photos. I want to do a photo. I don't know who's gonna take it. So I'm looking for people to do it. I would pay someone to do it. But I don't see anyone here. I am under the sun. Waiting for her to finish. Because she wants the perfect selfie. Like, what the? Hey guys, so we took a break. We are not going to go na dun sa reservation. It's an oras.
You can't make it. You haven't slept.
Yeah, and then we wanna go out and party later.
Low bat.
Okay,
Second meal of the day, guys. Yeah. Big bat.
Okay, bye. Hey guys.
Pa-party kami. First day, we're going to Hatch. Wala kaming energy. Kailangan lang namin mag-party tonight. Ha? Tara, walk muna tayo bago mag-book. Gusto ko din mag-check ng ano.
Wait lang guys, mag-duoling ko lang.
Gusto din namin mag-check ng shops sa paligid. Dito guys. Kasi lilipat na kami ng hotel tomorrow. So, this is my outfit. Nasuot ko na to actually before. Nasa Instagram ko nga ito nakapost. Wala kasi sa plan, I mean, tong party na to. Tsaka hindi siya beach club, so I don't wanna wear my other dresses to this. Guys, this is the situation dito sa room namin. Chargers everywhere, charging my phone. And then, mga clothes na kalabas. Si Vicky nagduduling. Guys, oh my gosh, sobrang lakas ng alon. Like, narinig niyo ba yun? Super lakas niya talaga. Natatakot nga si Vicky. Ayun o. Ay, walang nakikita. That's me. Ako lang yan, guys. Pero ito yung beach. Wala kayong makikita kasi gabi na. Pero marinig yung super lakas. Anyways, we're going party now. I'll see you guys there. We have a situation. We're supposed to party tonight. Hindi kami makapag-party kasi hindi makalabas ng place kasi sobrang lakas ng waves. Tapos yung waves nangangain ng tao. So, Basically, we're stuck here tonight sa place namin. Oh my gosh. Yes! Lapit na. Magkaroon na to. Ang ganda niya, pero grabe. Oh my gosh. Hi! Ito kami kumakain kanina. And then ito, beach na to. Sumaabot yung water dito, ganun siya kataas. So basically, dito lang kami. Oh my gosh! Nakakatakot guys. Parang, parang horror movie. Fuck! Hey guys! Sa labas dapat kami kanina. Sabi ko naman, see you when we get there. Sa party. Get where? Wala guys. Grabe yung waves. Hindi siya passable. I mean passable pero
You have to insert the clip. Kasi baka isipin ko eh.
we don't wanna risk. So we're staying
We love our
in.
lives. Love our lives, love our family and friends. So,
We're staying in and eating
Oh my
food
God,
ordered dun sa restaurant ulit sa baba. Third time eating food from them today. Hindi rin naman super sarap ng pagkain nila, pero pwede na.
Ganda.
Ayoko na.
I think I'll eat that.
Guys, akala ko pork chop. Ganyan yung pork pala.
Ano ba
Yung
nakalagay sa menu?
pulled pork. Pulled pork. Oh my fuck! Hindi mo namin sabihin
You
nun.
didn't ask me! I think that's tomato based.
Anyways, guys, we're eating. Saan natin iba dito?
Alam ko na. Diyan daw sa table by sa akin.
Fall in love again, fall in love.
Hey guys, we were supposed to go out. But they banned the baddies. Fuck! They banned us over for eating. Ano sasabihin? Good morning, Bali!
It's our second day. Second day naman today, guys.
We're in a time. Hindi kami agitated.
It's my King Kylie day. See you later. Hi guys, we didn't get to swim because the waves were so high. Takot kami. No one was swimming. So, we can't risk. So, wala yung shoes niya. Ay, slippers pala. Nawala, inalod guys. Inanod. So, we're having breakfast now. Nakasama sa rooms. Isang init, pero nagtitiis kami kasi aesthetic dito sa lugar. Sobrang init, pero nakikita yung titiis namin kasi ang ganda ng area. Sayang naman. It's actually our last few hours here. We're going to Canggu. Sabi nila, the influencer area. Yeah. Guys, I like overrated places, so no problem. Hindi ko magugustuhan ko yung Canggu kahit sinasabi ng mga tao na overrated siya. So, we're just waiting for our food. I'm most excited for sa Benita. So excited! I just don't want to ride a boat. Yun lang, pero I'm so excited. We're gonna eat in a bit. Sorry ako sa Facebook. Hi guys, we're in Malini. It's a cliffside restaurant. Hey guys, super nice. It's an overlooking restaurant. Sobrang init lang though. Sobrang init guys. We're gonna order lunch and then chang.
We'll repeat the outfit and makeup later.
So hot.
Hindi ko kayo mag-picture again.
Hi guys, dito na kami sa second hotel. Guys, sobrang ganda. Pero pagod kami right now. So, tutor ko kayo ng sobrang mabilis. Tour tayo ng super mabilis. Pagod na ako eh. wala nang energy yung second day na vlog. Guys, ito ang ano namin. Anong tawag dito? Bakuran namin.
Parang siyang terrace.
Terrace. Bakuran. Tas river ata yun sa harap namin eh. So, we have that. We have 2 chairs to chill. At para mag-emote. And then, here's the door to our room. We have a side table right there. And then, ayan yung bed namin, guys. Pang-honeymoon yung bed namin, guys. Nakakatawa. Tapos, ayan. So nice. And guys, grabe yung CR. Like, yung CR yung, ano dito. Vicky, tour mo sila sa CR.
Hi! So, this is the mirror. This is statue.
Uy, titignan niya ako maligo.
Shower. And everything.
Ang laki guys sa CR. So nice.
May drawer pa sa ilalim.
Look. Hi guys, we're in Love Anchor. Parang bazaar dito sa kanila. Super dami. Oh my god, this is so nice. Ganda mo. Super dami guys. Mabibili dito. Nakaka-overwhelm. Dami, no?
Oh my god, I don't know what to do.
Ako din eh. I'm so overwhelmed. No, not. Last day?
We'll buy what we want.
Yeah, yung mga need. Kailangan
pang-family.
namin. Kailangan ko ng tsinela. Ako ng tsinela. So cool, guys. Guys, we're going around Canggu. Cute. This is the place.
Sa TikTok.
Ano yun?
Yung dalawang magkatabi, tapos yung parang inaano sa taas.
Patingin.
Tinatapon sa taas.
Para sa ni Mayan, ang dami yung sinisindihan nila. Feeling ko religion yan.
Oh, sounds like more blessed.
Oh my gosh! Oo!
Fuck no.
No.
I feel like I would do it if mapipilit mo.
Ayoko. Ayoko, parang roller coaster yan.
But now I wanna do it.
No way. No fucking way.
Aliyah would do this, gag.
No fucking way.
I do it!
I do anything, guys. Kaya kong mag-cliff diving, kaya kong mag-paragliding, and everything gliding. Except yung mga mechanical na stuff. Balik na tayo dun sa ano. Parang puro talahiba na siya. It's giving Carmona, guys.
Okay, we're gonna explore more stuff.
Sa sakit na ng paa ko, guys. Ang hirap mag-explore pag nilarayo mo.
Nakita ko na.
Ay, nakita ko yung
Nakita na.
dami ng tubig. Water deprived kami.
Oh yeah. Sabi ko first things first, bibili kami ng tubig.
Ng water na like hindi bottled.
There's a lot of horror stories. So, I want the I Heart Valley shirt.
Ako din.
Parang cute. Sige, bili tayo. We're not today. We're gonna do our shopping. Size tayo? The price.
How much?
You can take.
Ate, ayoko nang ginaganyan. Ikaw na gag. Oh my god, guys. We're being scammed. You getting it? Magkano daw? Magkano yung 200? 600? Hindi, wait lang. Baka kumapa ako. Wait lang, huwag ko nang bayad. Magkano daw? Magkano yung 200?
200 is 600
pesos.
Oo.
That's 1 slippers and 1... If I get 1 more slippers, how much is it? No more discount?
It's okay lang. I give you 350 lang. 350.
Ano yun?
350 daw.
350.
Lahat?
350 for the one slipper?
No, and this one lang. And cap.
Just a slipper. I don't like caps.
Yeah.
And cap lang how much lang. And
Ano
this one
na?
lang how much? Tell me.
We have 550 for the 2 slippers and 1 cap. 550.
Only for you.
Okay. Oh, sige, pwede na yun. This one is interesting. Share na lang kami. Ganun siya Nova. Ito pala eh. Hi, wait. We're getting more. Anong price? Wait. We're getting more. Sorry, we're getting more.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying stuff so I know what to give to my family. Okay, we have your stuff. Diyos ko po. Ito, parang ano, parang lace. Dupe.
Cheese and onion.
Kuha ka. Hingin na lang ako sa'yo. Kasi kuha ka na rin. May sarap, may chicharon sila. Wild Willis, oh my god. Nasa SNR siya.
Cheddar cheese flavor. Sige, ito na lang.
She's gonna get some thins. I wanna get some ice cream. Oh my gosh, meron silang matcha na ibang flavor. Ay, mag-ice cream. This is their ice cream. Wait lang.
Wala kang 100.
Oo nga, I mean 30 lang. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung 100. Diba mag-google na naman ako.
Ayan, sobra yan. 50 ba yung bigay mo? Ano ba?
Sorry. Thank you for being so honest with me. Your turn.
Kasi hindi siya nagko-compute. Hindi niya tinitignan yung...
Ano?
Hindi niya tinitignan yung kung ilang zero meron yung pera. Yun yung issue niya. Hindi siya computation eh. Eyesight problem.
Actually, I'm not stupid. I'm just probably blind. May taste na lang. Kasi ang ganda ng packaging. So, I'll bring that to the gym.
That's my magnum, guys.
I'm gonna try mine out. Oh, mamangga ako.
Actually, mas gabi.
Hindi ma-focus.
Guys, kulang. We have to be here for 2 weeks. 1 week puro party lang.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god.
Ow! I don't
That was
mind
the
like
best club
exactly
of my life.
Like working so hard for a full day and then partying after. Oh, gagawin ko yun.
Dito.
Kahit ano. Gagawin ko yun araw-araw. Kahit di kami uminom, okay lang. Kasi it's free anyway.
Honestly, ang gwapo ng mga lalaki. Grabe. This is why you stay single in your 20s.
See? This is why I hate people.
Ano, masan ka mas comfy? Comfy naman ako pareho.
Ikaw na. Kahit ano. Mag-size tayo eh.
Okay, I'll get this.
Mills calling.
Guys, so sakit ng katawan. Yung tour namin tomorrow is at...
Ayoko na mag-tour. Putang, gusto ko na magpumarty.
Is at...
Honestly, I'm like, do whatever you wanna do, then I'll join you. Type of gal.
Dito tayo. There.
So, kahit anong gusto niyang gawin. But like, right now, I just wanna party.
20 minutes by motor.
That's 30 in the morning.
30 to sa morning. No, early morning. So, di pa ganun ka-traffic.
Let's just assume that it's 30.
Fine. Fine! Wait, so kailangan natin umalis dito by 5:30. You have to leave 5:30. You have to wake up 4:30. Or 4. 5. Hindi ako na-wake up, I swear. As in, ready ko na lahat ng gamit ko ngayon. Contacts bukas, tas kuha na lang.
Kasi,
Swimming
ko na
eh.
lang.
Hindi ako
Like, doon na lang mag-be.
Doon ako mag-makeup. Then after ng swimming na ako mag-ayos.
Okay. I'll fix it tomorrow. Yung akin. Gusto ko nang kumain and humiga. Tag me, tag me. I wanna read. Guys, it's so fun. Saglit lang kami doon. Feeling ko mas fun. Siya yung kapaluan ko. Ay, siya ba yun? Siya yun.
This is why you stay single in your 20s. This is me, guys. Pero hindi yan yung asawa ko. May asawa talaga ako tonight.
Creepy ng friend.
Ang gwapo niya. Like,
Creepy talaga.
like Captain America type.
Hoy!
Ganun.
Ang kapal mo!
Hi guys. Good morning. We have 3 hours of sleep because we partied last night. We're going to do some Pinida. Muntik pa kami guys, hindi magkaroon ng... Muntik pa kami mahiwalay ng sasakyan. Tapos di kami magkaintindihan ng driver. Look at our baby housemates. Hindi kami naka-makeup guys kasi wala kami time mag-ayos. Hindi kami kaya mag-ayos. Also, namamaga ang ayos ko. So, naka-glasses ako today. Good morning. We're in harbor nila guys.
Ay, joke lang. Isa pa yung
Good morning. Try mo nga dito. Parang may dumi yung camera. Ay, hindi. Siguro lang pala. Okay, balik ko doon. Sincheck ko. Hindi ka kita do. Say hi. Where are we?
We're in harbor? Or sa Pinida? Whatever.
Danny, where Gets mo yun? Gets mo yun, friends? Kala ko di mo mag-gets.
Wait, we have to do that later. Pag nasa doon sa Benita.
Kala ko di mo mag-gets yung reference.
Guys, pinag-aawayan nila kami. Sabi ni Kuya.
Usapan nila kami guys, di namin alam.
Sabi ni Kuya, bitch kang peke, kinuha mo yung pasahero ko.
Na back to you kami guys, ang dami namin backstab ng mga nakaraang araw. Tapos ngayon pinag-uusapan kami, narinig namin pangalan namin. Pwede siya sa amin. He's so mean. We have tea.
Guys, sana kasama namin si 365 days. Sarap na sa mata. What? Tititigan ko lang siya. Oo nga.
Papasama pa.
Sige. Ilang hours?
We're here. I survived 1 hour boat ride without... Kasi natulog lang ako. Parang mas gusto ko pa ako sa pag-akyat.
Boat ride. Kasi yung boat na maliit.
We're here.
Like that, like that.
Support ng news. Ayoko ng ganyan.
Expect ko ganun.
Okay. Diyan ata tayo magsusnorkel sa ganyan.
तुम्हारा कवर भी रहता है यार
कवर नहीं होता फाउंडेशन के सेंटर ही जाता
Wala na yung mark sa face natin.
Wala na. Yeah.
Ano ka na? It's like shadow.
Hindi ka pa tayo.
Wala nga akong dala. Road lang naman na lang. May dala ako. Nawala yung ilo ko.
Hey guys, we're going to our first spot. So tired. And sleepy. Di tayo bababa. Di tayo bababa ata. Elevator. Parang cliff ata siya. As far as I know. So tired. Isang init guys. Grabe. Ayun yung tour guide namin. Si Kuya. Yeah, that's it guys. I've seen a lot. Hindi ko na kaya ituloy pa. May isa pang spot but I don't think I'm going. Si Vicky hindi na siya tumuloy dito sa second spot kasi pagod na siya. Ako hindi ko na kaya sa third spot. I think I'm leaving that out. I mean, I've seen a lot. And maganda na yung mga nakita ko. I'm already happy with that. Oh my gosh, nasa likod ko yung mga friends namin from HK. Oh my god, so tired. Day 4. Day 4. Wala na kaming vlogs from last night at mga ibang events. Kasi super dami naming ginagawa. Pa-party kami and everything. So, hindi ko na dinadala yung camera kasi baka masira or baka mawala. I'll just insert clips. Now, we're just waiting for our bike. Because we're going to Ubud. Mag-ATV kami. Actually, medyo late na kasi. Sarap ng tulog namin. It's already 1:05. Sarap ng tulog namin kasi mag-party kami kagabi. So, bumawi kami ng tulog. Yeah. Just waiting for a bike. Guys, energy level. Anong level? Negative bed. Ako 4-4. I need food. I need Jollibee. Or McDo. I do Free Palestine. Jollibee. McDo.
Kahit ano gusto pagkain.
Is pagod na kami, pero go lang ng go. Kasi uwi na kami. Tuesday. Oh no. Ayaw na yung uwi.
Extend.
So tired. Fit check, guys. Fit check. Ha?
Pag huwag lang sasalita.
Guys. Dito kami sa swing. Hindi ko lang ba't kami dinala dito. Sobrang turista nito.
You can't see my face.
Hindi namin vibe to.
I would rather swim. I mean, I would rather swim
Tagalog.
doon kesa I would rather swim in a river than a beach.
She's about to say something. Tapos ang daming naririnig. Daming nakikinig sa kanya.
I would rather swim in a river than a beach. On a river than a beach.
Guys, I'm not having it today. Tapos ganyan pa eh. Malululain ako. Ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Tapos ganyan pa.
Pero feeling ko malamig.
Gusto ko madala ng driver namin for some reason.
Ano after? Pwede bang temple na after?
Yeah. Temple. Request natin temple.
Makatapos ng 4-5.
Excited ka lang.
Putang ina. You were not supposed to see that. Gusto ko naman.
Guys, in a span of 2 hours, nagkabali-belly siya. Nagyabang ako. Nawala ako kasi nag-take ako ng probiotics for a week. Just right now, about 2 minutes ago, sinuka ko lahat ng kinain ko from these past few days. Totoo. Tapos, guys, yung mata ko ay so red right now kasi nga sinuka ko lahat, guys. Like, lahat.
Guys, it's real. Bali is real.
It's not a myth. Sabi ibang myth daw, hindi. Totoo siya.
We don't feel like this type of Philippines.
I feel better daw. Kasi nasuka ko na lahat. Ikaw?
On the way there. Kasi wala akong nilabas. Bleep! We're on tour. By the way. We're on our last day tour.
Over na nasa roller coaster.
We're gonna get to Sarong. We got our sarongs. Ay, ang pangit ko. Shit. Cute.
Hello.
Hi. No. Guys, this is the real Bali culture na. We've been doing the Western culture for this. Party and drinking. Tapos puro Westerners. Ito na yung totoong Bali. Apparently, this is a ritual that they do.
It's a lie?
Tara, nakaharang kay Vicky. Guys, we're home.